At RitamTech Technologies, we make it our mission to offer the best products possible. In case you haven't noticed, those efforts have resulted in our latest version of Summit, version 4. If you have an older version, you can appreciate the new look, but it goes much deeper than that, and there are plenty of new performance parts under the hood. In this video, we'd like to highlight a few of those features by showing you new ways to streamline your office and improve your cash flow. It starts with reporting options for PDF and email and progresses to our secret weapon, automatic credit card processing. First of all, any report can be emailed. For example, let's say a customer calls to see activity for paid and unpaid invoices since they became a customer. An historical statement will take care of that. The format choices on the right are your email options. Choose the desired format. Next, we select the date range and click Done. Summit will automatically send a message to the customer's primary email address with the report attached as a PDF. Wow, who knew a couple of mouse clicks could get so much work done? But it doesn't stop there. Now let's say the customer wants a report of all payments made. No problem. We'll click the Payments button and then click Print. Specify the starting and ending dates and click Done. This is the print preview screen, which should be quite familiar to Summit users. However, there's a big difference when it comes to the toolbar at the top. You could simply click the print button to send the report to your default printer, but check out the new features which can be accessed with the buttons here. There are options to export this file to an Excel document, text file, or PDF. Most importantly, there's a button to send this report as an attachment in an email. You have multiple format options, and PDF will probably be the most popular. A new email message is ready to be sent. Notice how the report is already attached. All we have to do is fill in the address and maybe type up a quick note for the recipient. Once finished, click Send, and the message is on its way. Let's look at a different scenario. Maybe your boss is on vacation and she's calling in to find out how collections work is progressing. Well, why not pull up a summary aging report and email it directly? Click here to request an aging report. There are many options, and we'll choose this one to get a summary report by customer. Then click here to start the email. Again, we'll choose PDF format. Just like before, we can fill in the address and type in a quick note. Press Send and it's on its way. That was easy enough. So let's send her a sales report for the month while we're at it. From the print preview screen, just click here. And there you go. Now the boss is in the loop even when out at the office, and it didn't distract you from your busy day. You just saved time, a tree, and the cost of ink in the process. Armed with these new tools in Summit version 4, things can get pretty interesting. There's a setting on the customer screen for automatically emailing invoices. With this box checked, customers go paperless and receive their invoices electronically to their primary email address. We can see this in action from the invoicing menu. There is still an option to print invoices for those that need the paper. However, paperless customers are emailed here, and we get to choose the desired format. That's all there is to it. If a customer had multiple job sites and multiple invoices, they get one email with a single attachment which contains all their invoices lined up. Nothing is easier. Think of all the time you just saved not stuffing envelopes. Not to mention all the postage saved as well as paper and ink. And since the customers get their invoices quicker, you get paid faster. Can it get even better? How about getting paid instantly? To see how that's done, let's go back to the customer screen. If the customer agrees to pay by credit or debit card each month, we can save their card information in a password-protected area. Then we check the box for auto credit card. You still print or email your invoices as normal. The copy sent to the customer will indicate that it's being paid automatically, so this acts as a receipt for their records. After invoices are printed and emailed, they're updated to the customer's accounts. That's when Summit automatically processes customer credit cards for the totals due, not for each individual job. Payments are posted directly to the new invoices without any additional user entry. If we pull up one of these customers in the AR balance inquiry screen, we can see that it's already paid and in history. Just like a finely tuned sports car is built to go from 0 to 60 in a flash, Summit can take you from zero to paid even faster. If you're new to software or looking to replace something outdated, you might as well get superb performance for your investment. And if you're an existing Summit user, don't feel left out. We can pull your program into our shop and drop in a turbocharger. You'll feel the power right away. Want more? Check out our other introductory videos. For existing Summit customers, special discounts apply for upgrading to version 4. Check your inbox for an extra special deal which expires soon, and thanks for watching.